Did you know that you can actually get paid $20 from just one click? Yes, very true. You got me very right. So it's very possible that you can get paid this amount of money. If someone clicks on your link just once, you get paid $20. But also if if two people press your link, you get paid $40. So it's so much wide range payment you can get here. You don't have to be a mathematical genius for you to figure the amount you can actually earn with this method. Just by simply using your smartphone, scrolling your smartphone just from your bed. Yeah, this sounds ridiculous, but it's true. I'm going to show you a simple method, and this method you don't need to be an expert in this. You don't need to be an expert in computer, and it's available anywhere in the world. This is a wide method, and it's good for beginners. So the website today we are going to use is called overvault.com. Overvault is a simple website that is going to gift you money by just people clicking on your link. So how do you get started with this? You have to search in, like I'm going to search here gift card of Amazon. Yeah, a gift card. Just I want to promote a gift card. Yeah, and you're going to see that these people have a wide range of gift cards there. You see here you get paid $38, you get paid $50. Let me press on this one. Yeah, let me press on any of them. For example, let me just press this one here for 38. So 38, they are going to say that you're going to be paid 38 per click. Yeah, if anyone presses clicks on your link once, you get paid $38. And there are so many offers here that you can again do the same method. And today we are going to go through just this one as an example. And all you have to do is for you to press this. Fraud will not be paid. So your clicks should be genuine. And I'm going to show you the source of traffic you're going to get. For you to get even more clicks on this, you'll be able to get even more money every day. So let's continue. So press on this run an offer. All you have to do is fill in this form, put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your legal entity, your company. It doesn't really matter. So, and then you'll be able to, they'll give you a link, a private link, just that is private to you, personal link that you're going to use to put in the website I'm going to show you. So let's go directly to the website you're going to show. But before we continue, subscribe to the channel and like the video, comment on anything you want me to know about, and we shall go to go. So let's continue. The website you're going to use to advertise your link is called Pinterest. All you have to do is go to Pinterest, and I'm going to show you how this works. So Pinterest is free to use to anyone. All you have to do is have an email, create an account using your email, and just use this as a form of advertising your link. How do you do that? If you search here Amazon gift cards, you're going to see that there's so many people doing this, and people are getting money, people are getting paid. You see this is Amazon gift card, $30. Yeah, and this is what people want. And where do people get these images from? If you're not very good at designing, I'm going to show you how you can actually get this for free. So you see all these are Amazon gift cards, and they are so easy to create. So let me show you a very simple way how you can actually do this. Just go to Google, go to Google and type Amazon gift cards, and it will bring you a bunch of results. What you want to do is go into images. When you go to images, they'll give you all these options that you can use. Yeah, all you have to do is right click and download an image here. But you don't want to do that. You want to go to settings. Then, because you'll be copywriting, yeah, all these images are copyrighted, and you don't want to be caught on that. So I encourage you, go to settings. Now go to advanced search so that you can be able to sort this. Go to usage rights. So when you go there, use Creative Commons license. With this, you can be able to post this image anywhere you want. It's licensed that anyone can use these images. Go there. So all the images that you see here are free to use. Just download many of them, 150, and you'll be using them. We continue How to create an account. Here I told you, use the free account, just have an email, then you'll be able to create an account. So I was telling you that with this method, this is a website that is viewed by very many people. Yeah, you see here is saying over 1 billion people view this website per month, and that's just an evidence that no one will really bypass your ad. Yeah, your pin. If someone sees your picture, someone is going to click it. Yeah, it doesn't matter when, someone is going to click it. So for you to sign up, all you have to do, put in an email here, put in a strong password, put in your age here, then continue. Or you can just continue with your email. So I'm going to continue with my email, and just know this is very simple. And when I'm in my dashboard here, this is how the home screen looks like. And so here I'm going to say go create, and then I say pin. Yeah, pin, create a pin. Here you'll be able to put your title, which is Amazon gift card for free. Then you put in a small description. Yeah, then you're going to choose the category in here for what you want it for. So put in very many of them, so that very many people will be able to see your link. So this is very important. This is where you put your image that you create, that you downloaded from Google, and this is where you put the link that is provided to you through Overvolt marketing. Yeah, when you get a link from there, just put it here. Yeah, and when after you create this one, post it immediately. Go again here, click on this, and then press create a new pin. Then create another one. Create like 20 of them, 50 of them. Just this doesn't take even 1 minute to create. You see the way I did it very fast? Go to Google, download this, come here, upload, write a small heading here, description, put my link here. Yeah, very important. Put your link here, then press submit, and that is all. You'll be paid at any cost. Yeah, if someone presses your link and then fills in the form that is provided there, you get paid. So that is what I had for you in this video. Support by subscribing and liking and commenting. Bye.